Hello everyone. Today, we will show you how to upload folders of files into Canvas. This is a great way to organize and share multiple files quickly, especially for assignments or resources. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, to upload a folder, we just need to click on Your Projects. Here, we can click Your Projects, and we will see the plus sign to add new. Next, we just need to upload files or upload a folder. You can see this option here. We have a sample folder ready, so let's select the folder and then click Upload. We just need to confirm the upload so you can see it is now uploading. Now, here is our uploaded folder. It is already uploaded, and we can open it. Inside, you will find all the files from your sample folder. That is how we upload folders of files into Canvas. With this simple method, we can keep our files organized and easily accessible.